Long time no see. Hi my loves, this is going to be a re-upload of the French braid tutorial. I'm so sorry, it's very long overdue. I've been super busy. I'm gonna give you a quick little life update. I'm super excited to announce that my hair oil is ready and it will be dropping August 1st. Cannot wait for that, so I've been busy with that. So yeah, with that being said, let's just jump into this tutorial. So I got out of the shower not too long ago. As you can see, my hair is still damp. I'm gonna take some of my hair oil and I'm just gonna apply it to the ends of my hair, really focusing like on the tips. Also, this is going to be a single French braid tutorial. If you want like the double tutorial, I can definitely do that. Just let me know in the comments and I will have that out ASAP. I already gave my hair a brisk combing, so I'm just gonna brush it back to get ready for the braid because we're not gonna do a part, it's just gonna be like brushed back. So you're gonna want to start by grabbing a top section of hair. Hold on. I will say the closer you get it to the front, like where your hairline is, the more natural looking it'll be. If you do it super far back, your hair will be like kind of straight and then wavy, so that's just something to keep in mind. So I'm grabbing this part and now I'm going to start braiding it normal, but unlike the Dutch braid, I'm gonna braid the pieces over each other like this. And then after you do that a few times, it's gonna be exactly like the Dutch braid. You're just gonna start picking up hair and adding them to each outer section. So I'm gonna grab some hair from the right side and add it to my right section. I'm going to bring it over. I'm going to take some hair from the left side, add it to the left section, and then bring that over as well. And that's really it. You just keep doing that until you reach the back of your head when there's no hair left to add, and then you just braid normal. But I will say, this is a crazy arm workout because the whole time you're pretty much like this, so be prepared for that. But let's do this. We got this. Okay, so when you feel like you've reached a point where you can bring the hair in front of you, I definitely recommend doing that so you can give your arms a break from being up for so long. So now that we completely grabbed all the hair, we're just gonna braid normally all the way down. And again, if you're doing this style specifically for the heatless waves like I do, I would braid as far down as you can, again, just to make it look as natural as possible in the morning. Okay, this is the perfect time to teach you a trick that I do. So you see how right now my parts are a little uneven? This little section has less hair than this one. So what I like to do to be able to braid as far down as possible, like to the very, very tips of my hair, bring the section together with one of the pieces that has more hair, and then I'll split that in half like this. So see, now they're all the same length. And that's just a super easy way to continue braiding literally until the ends of your hair. That's what I do all the time. So yeah, just a little extra tip. Okay, and then after you finish, you're just gonna tie it off with a hair tie. And yeah, so here is the final look. I do have some flyaways, which like I can tame with oil. My oil. Which I might do just a little tiny bit though, because this is freshly clean hair, and applying oil to your scalp on freshly clean hair is not always the best thing to do, because it can make it look greasy, but a little bit won't hurt. I like to rub it in my hands as much as possible, and then just like, see? Flyaways be gone. If you're going to wear the French braid out, I would also recommend getting this little like styling edge comb, just to like make sure that everything is clean and tamed and brushed back. I can't live without this. This literally tames my hair so well, and just makes it look so clean, you know? So I will definitely recommend getting one of these. I think I might have a similar one linked in my storefront. If I don't, I will add one, so by the time you watch this, there will be one in there. So considering I'm going to sleep in this, I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna give you another look at the back. Oh wait, let's do a side view too. Side view. It's just so cute for summer too. Like, I feel like a French braid is just so classic, out of the way, especially for my long-haired girlies that still want to show their length but not want to have the hair on you and feeling sticky and hot. French braid is a good option. We got the back view. It's giving like Elsa from Frozen. I feel like she has a French braid, right? But yeah, guys, I really hope that this tutorial was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you have any other tutorial requests or video requests in general, feel free to comment that below, along with any questions you may have. I will definitely answer those, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye. I already blew you a kiss, but I'll blow you some more.